Light it up. It's chilly out here. Look at that. Light it up, right? Alright, now this 2-pound point right here, I'm gonna smoke it up. I got some post oak going already. Let's hang it. So I'm gonna shoot for around 250 and just let it ride, let it hang, let it cook. Yeah, I'm excited. Season it with that Salt Lick all-purpose rub, delicious rub right there. And I did inject it with beef broth, so we'll see how that goes and see if that works. But let's close it up and let's smoke on. That's how cold it was overnight. It's icy. Yeah, I know it's not up like up north, but this is how we'll get unless a winter storm comes and does what it did last time it came. Alright, we're 4 hours in, so let's check it out. Oh yeah, look at that. That is nice. Beautiful, don't you think? Uh-huh. Oh yeah. That's what you get when you hang it. Hang your meat, guys. You got your Bronco. Don't be scared, hang it. Yeah. So I'm running from 225 to 250. It's been kind of chilly out here, so you know the Bronco's gonna work a little different, but I've been keeping it at least around below 250. Don't want to go up higher, but yeah, so it looks like. So I'm gonna, let's see. Well, the bark is set, but this is after 4 hours, and I'll bring it back in 2 hours from now. Isn't that a beautiful sight right there? Oh yeah. This is how you enjoy your day. Alright, just close to 250. So at the one wide open. So let's check it out. This is gonna be 6 hours. Looking good. Yeah. Let me get in so I can block the sun, get a better look. Uh-huh. Yeah. Looking pretty good, pretty good. Alright, there's the briquettes. 6 hours in. Since it was low of 32 this morning, Bronco, you know, had to get a little more briquettes burnt and all that just to get it hot. You know, it was cool outside, so it worked more than what it normally would, but we're still good. Yeah, so I'm gonna let it keep rolling And I'm gonna check back in an hour, and then I'm gonna see where the internal temperature of the point is at. Let's check the temp of the point right here. Still looking good. All right. Sitting at 195, 96, 97, 98, 99. We're getting there. I felt okay. Didn't feel like it went in. I felt a little bit better. See a different time right there, 204. I'm gonna let it roll for about another 30 minutes right here. Yeah, 30 minutes. And then we'll check it again, see the feel. So we know that we're at 200, above 200. So now we're just gonna go for the feel, see what the point feels like. Yeah, and there's the briquettes. All right, so get another 30, and then we'll check it again. Yeah, it's sitting around 250. All right, it's been 35 minutes, and that's beautiful. So let's just see the feel. Yeah, that's a lot better. Oh yeah. Yeah. You want to see it's at 210, 211. So, yeah, when you're going to go by the feel of it, you know, when it goes in like butter, your number is going to be high. So it's at 211 right there. Well, that's good. So I'm going to take it off. I'll put it in some butcher paper and just let it rest. I'm going to stick it in a small little ice chest. Wrap it with a towel. Do it the old school way still. Yeah. There's the briquettes. One side's almost gone. The other starting. So, yeah. 7 hours and 35 minutes. All right. All right. Check it out. Oh, it smells good. Oh, man. What do you think? Beautiful, huh? Man. That is nice. Alright, let's see if I can get it right down the middle. What do you think? Look good? The other one. There we go. That's a nice little smoke ring. Not dry, look at that. Don't wanna. Yeah, looking good to me. Looking good. Alright, I'm gonna slice into it and take a bite. I'm hungry. Oh man. Look at that. Hopefully you can see it. Man. Just tears apart. Mm-hmm. Oh my God. Mm-mm-mm. Look at that. Mm-mm-mm. Seven hours and 35 minutes. Mm-mm-mm. And if you're wondering why I didn't spritz, it's because I kind of wanted to have a hard bark to it, because I love the way crunchy bark tastes too, and I definitely got that on this one. So I'm really enjoying that, and it gives it even more flavor. Yeah, but nothing to it. Easy cook, if you know, just hanging that point. I mean, you saw nothing to it, nothing to it at all. So go out and hang, you know, a whole brisket if you want, or a flat or a point, and just treat it just like a regular whole packer brisket. That's all you got to do, and trust me, you're gonna come out with some delicious brisket, moist, tender, just pulls apart. Like with Oklahoma Joe's Bronco, legit. Well, another video down. I'm glad I did this one. Real relaxing day. Cook with the Bronco. Can't beat that. So as always, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Smoke on, everyone.